Let's take a look at an example of adding unlike fractions. Unlike fractions are fractions that have a different denominator, bottom number. So 1/3 and 1/2. The bottom numbers are different. Anne ate 1/3 of a cake. Her brother ate half of the same cake. What fraction of the cake did they eat all together? Okay, so let's take a look at what Anne ate. Anne ate 1/3. So we'll try to draw some thirds. She ate 1/3. And her brother ate 1/2. So how can we add these when the pieces are different size? Well, what we want to do is we want to look for a common denominator that I can use to divide both of these cakes. So if I take both of these cakes and I split them into 6 pieces instead, now my 1/3 is 2/6. And if I take my half and I split this one into 6 pieces as well, now my 1/2 is 3/6. So I can do that on a third piece of pie here, piece of cake. Now I've got 3, 6, 1, 2, 3, and then 2 over here. 2 over here. So how many sixths do I have in total? 5. So 1/3 plus 1/2 is the same as writing 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. And there we go. So they ate 5/6 of the cake.